So we've already started up, so this video is not going to go well, so
Hey guys, welcome to the Calder Park YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see if we can drift the brand new Nissan Z. Cut to B-roll.
Riding through the city, sitting pretty wifey and my baby with me, got me feeling like a king right now. With a mission and a vision, God is with me in the kingdom, need the willing and I'm...
So drifting a new Nissan Z, being a manual, rear-wheel drive, you think, oh yeah, that shouldn't be too hard to get sideways. But no, it's impossible.
Why isn't it possible? It's just not. Why not, you stupid bastard?
We've taken it down the drag strip. A few of you are commenting, what are you doing? Take the ABS sensor out. You don't know what you're doing. Won't do a burnout. You're breaking it. Anyway, okay, so we need to figure out something. New car things. It has all these safeties. ABS, sideways sensor, can't get on the brake sensor, reduces power, all these things. We're trying to figure it out. We're not having a huge amount of luck. So today, we're gonna try these few different things and we're gonna take it out on track. We're currently here at the Calder Park Reetsuri. This is our day one here. The track condition's okay. The track's got some quiet spots. We'll see how we go. There's a few water barriers out on track, but she'll be right. I'm gonna go straight out on the 20s. Fresh wrap, midnight perf, and we're going to see if she can slide. So the first thing we've done is the first thing we've done is pulled out a sensor on the diff. Don't know what it is or what it does, but someone said you got to remove the speed sensor because then it won't know what you're doing. It's like going in incognito mode. You just can't know. Am I drifting? How are you going to know? You can't tell what speed I'm going. You don't know what I'm doing. So we're trying that. We don't know if it was the right plug. Could have been the oil temp in the diff. We'll try a few more plugs later. It's very hard to get under this car.
Yeah, can't really get under it.
Can't really fit under there.
Can't jack it up.
I tried to push Jassy under there. I drove over him before. He's still under there. And it didn't really help. Now he's unconscious.
He's not fixing it.
Fix it, Jesse. The other thing we're going to do is pump up the tyres. So we'll go do that now. And let's just see if that worked or not.
We pulled the ABS fuse.
Oh, that's right. We pulled an ABS fuse or the tail light fuse? Don't know.
I think it's both.
Okay, don't know. We pulled a fuse. I'll show you.
A random fuse.
That's yellow. Yes, the car's still yellow. Don't comment it. Alright, so there's the panel. Goes in here. A bit awkward to show it. But all the fuses are up there. And as you can see here, there's words and numbers, and that's what the fuse is and how many amps that fuse is and where it is located to pull it out. So we've gone and pulled down one down here somewhere that says stop lamp, I think. Yeah, so it's the first 10 amp. First 10 amp. You told me the second 10 amp. You told me to remove that one. We removed the wrong one. So we've already stuffed it up. So this video is not going to go well so far. Alright, so I'm going to remove the right one now. And then we're going to see what it does. We'll pump out the tyres. We'll get on track. And hopefully some success. Oh. 1,000 kilometers, we're a drifter.
System fault? Oh no.
Oh no. That might be a good thing. Tyre shop, look what's up. Pump me Z tyres. We're going for a draft. Alright, how to pump a tyre. First step, compressor. Ooh. Second step, tyre inflator tool.
Incredible.
Third step, remove genuine work wheel valve cap and don't lose it. Yeah, I lost it. Fourth step, push it on the valve. We're on 30 psi and we're going to crank it to 50 psi, I reckon. I'm scared. Cap back on. And now you do the other side. Step.
Look how much we fit in here.
Watch out for the AU Falcons. They're everywhere. They're taking over. We're all kitted up. Ready to go. Helmet on. Got the pinky. Good luck. Let's see if this works. I really hope it does, because I can't be bothered doing any more. I don't want to get under there. Jesse's still under there. But I don't want to get under there and get him out and get all these sensors. Yep, so hopefully it works.
Hate
fever's getting me real good today. Hey, start line not happy. Bumpy. Someone's on my ass. The 31's on my ass. 231's on my ass. They want a tandem. Get away from me. Damn, this thing feels so weird. It's so automated. Kicking the clutch just does not like it. It's like Jassie's been caving in some of our water barriers as usual. Do. Hey! Definitely didn't like it. So what I'm doing, let's try this. Whoop. So boaty. It did a drift, it didn't restrict it. It was like halfway through coming through, it's like it started to cut power. It did a little bit, started it. That's exciting. Handbrake, you have to really pull. Getting comfortable, getting comfortable. We're not gonna bin it. We're not gonna bin it.
How is it?
It's weird. I'm not drifting over all these bumps because I don't want to hit rim on guard. But there you go, just a bit more throw, a bit more handbrake, and she does it. I can't switch it, it's so, I'm getting so thrown around the car. But we did it, sure. Oh hell, it's so nerve wracking. It just wants to throw me into a barrier or something. And this is still currently our giveaway car. I think we're gonna call it there. I'm not gonna go crashing a brand new Z with 1,000 kilometers. I want to hand it over to the rightful owner and winner that paid 30 bucks for it. Oh hell, that was sick. It actually worked. It literally has this little power band. Little power band you can stay in. It has a really weird limiter that doesn't, it sort of loses all the power when it hits it. Anyway, we'll get out of the car and we'll talk about it more. We did it! We drifted a brand new Z. That was Jazzy. True.
What are you doing?
She drifts.
Are you drifting it?
Hey, don't care.
Fucking hell, look at that. Did you pull a fuse?
Yeah.
Is it came?
Yeah, it works. We did it. It drifts. 50 psi. Whatever that plug is on the back of the diff. The fuse for the tail lights and ABS, apparently it does the same thing. Then I found out after the first lap, traction control also off. Yeah, so that was really weird. You had to really throw it. Has this really weird power band, the same deal. It just feels like laggy when it comes on boost. Then it sort of pulls and it has a little window between when it's on boost and limiter. At limiter, it would also just, it has like a valve bouncy, like fail-safe limiter. So when you hit it, it'll like lose all its power. So you have to sort of like just hold the throttle at the right amount. 5/8 down when you're in the drift to just keep it in the sweet spot. And then just, yeah, reefing the handbrake because it hardly wanted to work, sort of weight shifting it to get the handbrake to work, or just lock one wheel. And we did it. Kicked the clutch, 5/8 throttle, handbrake, and we did most of the corners. I don't know if you saw, we did some of the back ones too. Didn't hit any barriers, didn't yeet the guards with the rams, we didn't hit no potholes, and we didn't get smacked by any R31s that were following us. Taking out all the water barriers, bloody Jassy. Anyway, that's it. Short and sweet. We did it. We drifted the Z. We're not going to break it because someone's got to win it for 30 bucks. So make sure you head to our website, keepreet.com. While you're there, get some spicy merch. Use code SPICY. 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 Oof. Anyway, come on the draw to win the Z if it's still alive. And because you can drift it. There's a drift car. Come out and drift it with all the boys. Go tandem with some 31s. You know, sky's the limit. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Like drama.